Hello, everyone. I'm from Graduate School of Cultural Technology, KAIST, Sung-Hee Lee. I have 20 minutes to present my opinion. Are you hungry? So I jump into the key and further ado and make it conclude as soon as possible. Okay, when I invited these types of event to present something, so I'm trying to give something interesting, but today is quite different. Today I'm going to introduce our graduate school and our vision and want to share what we have today. When I see the audience, um, I've been thinking that okay, my presentation will help them this or that way. Okay, so, I heard that some college students are here from Jungang University, this side and that side. Art and Technology Department, correct. Okay, this semester I know the Tae Jin professor. He studied under my teaching. So that means I have very close connection and relationship with your college. If you are interested in going up to the graduate school, please consider my department as a good choice and it's a good opportunity to think about your future. And your Tom project is involved with other faculties and also we will give you some inspiration. And if you are graduate and expert in this field, okay, how can I help them with my presentation? I'm open to cooperation and collaboration all the time. I hope the research, what I am going to introduce you today, will inspire you to join me to do further research. Okay, I'm the head of the Graduate School of Culture and Technology in KAIST, which is trying to survive the AI based on the K culture. Well, it's not necessarily to introduce the part or the how impact is powerful to world of the K culture, K-pop, movie, game, and many genre of the culture in K culture has been highlighted by world. You know the movie K-pop Demon Hunters? It was not created domestically, but it was made on the other country and but they want to vividly illustrate our culture as well. When I was young, I couldn't imagine this could be happen. Another big stream is artificial intelligence. Such types of culture industry means the AI will create a new wave. Okay, in that case, the K culture with the AI, how can we direct new way? Okay, let's talk about the content. If you can read the subscribe, it's AI video generation. You are all aware of such feature. In 2023, stable diffusion has been introduced. It makes the so real like it's only been 2 years. The right side, you can see a runway tool for creating video. It launched last year. 1 or 2 years old tools are widespread to younger generations and content creator. And also they are used to upload content in Instagram, YouTube, and many other forms. Okay, with the time strain, I will try to make it short. Okay, now let's go to the music. Music is in very rapid development. And I know that many of you use these types of services. So for the one who haven't, I'm going to introduce a short. Okay, I try to make him compose a song inspired by GArtience, the article from the official website. I just use it as a prompt, but not from the text, but screen capture, and tell them, okay, I'm going to try to make a song and compose it with a proper song and proper prompt and proper melody. That was my request. I put the prompt in the Suno, so and the service try to make a song. Let's listen. Okay, it was the first line. Do you like it? It was made by me. I just put some text and prompt the lyrics, and the Suno generated this song. If you want a better result, you can try more and refine to get more and better result. Okay, these types of content generation changes us a lot. Well, when we talk about the content, it's not only about the only content, but the full cycle transformation of culture industry is happening in creation sector. These types of service support the idea and also prototype assistance and so reduce need for specialized skill in the area of production in lower production costs, reduced manpower demand, and surge in volume of work in marketing and distribution. Concentration on global platform and personalized marketings are happening. And also in the experience, you can witnessing the personalized consumption. In our school, this full cycle, we want to try to define the contributions by technology. So AI research and education for KCulture. So at the bottom, we try to make a foundation, solid foundation by the traditional popular spiritual cultures and foundation models for K-culture. Also, the creation, production, marketing experience has the full cycle of these industries. In each sector, the professors are dedicated to get the better experience with that, and we also grow some talent. In this school has only young history of 20 years. The the Professor Kwanghyun Won, present the keynote and founded this school in 2005. Unlike the other department, we cooperate with some ministries of culture. And after 20 years, we have 20 master degrees and 40 doctoral degree. You know that the professor won changing his head, and art and science convergence. But when I saw that, okay, the professor was retired, but still the acronym A and S represent me that after service, he is dedicating himself to do something for the contribution to this field. So I really appreciate it. So we try to understand the artist at the bottom line, and then we layer the art and technology research, and then after that we try to find how it really affects the culture industry. The distinctive features of these schools are the background of our faculties. Electronic engineering, computer science, mechanical engineering are essential, but only some arts and sociology, communication studies, and all the humanities are including in our school. They are gathering together for the research. This component is quite rare structure, not only for domestically but also for the internationally. The, with this structure, we can do the interdisciplinary research. For now, we have audio and visual research, and also humans' interaction and humans' experience, and the arts and human itself are the main domain we are focusing on. Okay, from now on, I'm going to show you one of each professor's research and its result. Audio and visuals. You now watching the Screen X. You know that the Screen X in CGV movie theater. There are more than 400 theaters in over 70 countries. Right here, the Junhyung No professor is sitting just in front of me, who is the one who done the research for the screen. And this is my research. If you think of the motion editing, we can only apply to the movie or animations. You need to alter so many styles. And we can do this job automatically through the artificial intelligence. And these types of stage can be plus to the AI and to give some new experience. We have Juhan Nam professor here. He planned and performed these types of performance with the Sumijo soprano. While she's singing, the AI detect the voice and the AI pianist playing the piano. The important thing is the predicting skill when the singer start to sing and play the appropriate music. Well, we also done many research on oral heritage. We have such long history and very proud heritage, and we want to reinterpret in modern way. When we talk about the heritage, cultural heritage, we only trying to preserve its appearance, but it's not only about that appearance, but only about space. You know, the spatial space and overall features when you visit such site. And the Professor Sang-Young Kim referred that the term as the sound footprint, and she wants to capture that print and reinterpret it in the virtual space. Well, now we are living in the era of LLM like ChatGPT, Gemini, are all originated from foreign country, but we have to find our own way too. We have research that is featured on the Korean style, Korean featured LLM. Computer engineering master degree is earned by this professor, but he has doctoral degree in other field humanity. So that combination result in these types of services. It has over 3 million downloads. Okay, next we have research on interaction experience. Okay, I believe the many contents and culture outcomes can be done by virtual spaces. Untek U professor, VR and virtual spaces, he created such space and how can be used. This is the one of the examples how can detect reality automatically and how can adopt the avatar into such space naturally and how the interaction is happening. Professor Seung-Yeon Cha, he's doing the future space research. Okay, when we are in home, the world does not interact with me, but in the future, we can imagine the space where the the whole space sensor my conditions and customized circumstances can be done by such detection. Okay, I believe some of you do go to the performance for the K-pop, and Sang-Ho Yoon, the professor Sang-Ho Yoon, is doing some research about the haptic technology for the performance. So when audience wearing these types of device, when the singer is singing and dancing, and that transmitted to the haptic device. So what you can see is the Hanbit top. It's not the real one, and you know the game, the famous one, Roblox. I cannot recall the title. Minecraft, yes, correct. In that space, we rebuilt our city, Daejeon. In the virtual space, we recreate these types of space, so we can watch the how people interact here and how people see the landmark in their perspective, so that we can try to make it attractive city to other tourists. And this research is done by Jihyun Lee, Professor Jihyun Lee. And you can see the Jungmi Lee, Professor Jungmi Lee is sitting right here. She's doing XR cognitive science. When we see the new culture and new VR systems and how humans react and perceive that types of new experience, this is quite a science domain subject. So in the metaverse or other virtual spaces, this research can be effectively used. You know, the G Dragon has appointed as a professor here, and we also have the Jin-Jun Lee, the Professor Jin-Jun Lee. They collaborate together. He modeled the cornea of G Dragon, and and on the plate of the satellite and we join the subject together and transmit it to the space. We are keep talking about AI, but I'm not sure that this is quite the same one to the human creativity or not. Our professor Junhyung Park saying that okay, how the lack of understanding of creativity processes and its thought is quite deep research. Okay, due to the time strain, I got some sign that try to finish. Okay, so for these whole types of research, we are very doing hard work, and this era is everyone bring everyone attention to the K culture. So we want to trying to strengthen research to support K culture and also optimize the platform. And so to make this done, so we have total of 15 professors are not enough, and we want more professors, students, researchers to work together. This is one of our vision. And you know this is not an easy one. And one of our big challenges about space. And all department in KAIST, they are suffer from the lack of space. But for us, okay, we are on a very tight space while doing research. So in order to address these issues, we trying to launch another project to get more extra space and to attract more student research and professors. To make this happen, I need fund. I have everything except money. So you can imagine why I'm here. I need your support, your participation. I kindly ask you to join us. And we have foundation for the development, and also there's a system to donate money to a specific department. Please welcome to join us through the donation. It it was the collaboration from the Kanpyo Lee, the Professor Kanpyo Lee, and that department has a big sponsor, but now it's our turn. I'm looking for new one, the new entrepreneurs, new official leaders. I want your attention and support. And thank you. Thank you for